Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get silver status on Qantas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to qantas.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking something like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you already haven't done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Qantas, of course, website where we have the travel guide, flight deals, plan, book, fly. We have the frequent flyer, Qantas business, your account, your points, and basically a lot of things about your account. And of course, here you can go and book a flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a silver status on Qantas. So to achieve Qantas silver status, you need to meet the following requirements. So you need to go and earn 300 status credits. So you need to earn at least 300 status credits when within your membership year. Status credits are earned by flying with Qantas, Jetstar, or on One World member and partner airlines. Then you must take at least four eligible flights with Qantas or Jetstar, flight number on your ticket during your membership year. And once you reach these milestones, you'll enjoy benefits such as priority check-in, extra baggage allowance, and access to Qantas Club luggage, a launch, on domestic flights. So basically, you just need to go and have a lot of flights. As you can see, which on Qantas you can do by going to find flights here, from where and when, and just click enter and find your, of course, desired flight. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.